This is my Lego airplane. This you can see an orange block here, cause this airport and this airplane is orange headlines. The airport name is Orange Headlines. Okay, now we're ready for takeoff. 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, 2. You can see the jets in the wings. That big circle one is these and that are the small jets, and this big one is the really big jet. Orange headlines. Orange headlines. This is the captain speaking. It's going to crash. Oh no. Orange headlines just crashed. Completely. Whoa. Oh. Orange headlines just destroyed. I know. I didn't. Okay, this is the end. Bye. I mean, hi, bye. Bye-bye.